Taman Yakui. And the Maya Oya Fiama Amayakua Yawabim Na Yasha Membu Na so party Nedman and yan yet the him Abrinara. The parliamentary candidate Taban Yatua, and Tatam Yatwa, and 1 year same print, parliamentary candidate PPP or the Suma, 1 year wage mumpo. Hey, Abano de I have Francati in Ebedechi. You are be my elbow on my own. Now, some Tatamara, you said Abachra. And what position are? And what are we saying? Why ye, Abedechi, so on the poor, I have some. No, I didn't be him. Yo, Eti, and woman, you know, and my banner for Washam, Wajatum. You are be my elbow, my own. Afterward, Yada and Yado. Abon, Medas up, Nabo. It will position in your yet. And what bim? What the one that body? What pocket the girl? Well, yeah, what to look up? It will position. What to about more 2019 February? It turns to October. That's the committee there. One kaya manifesto on Famro. Committee the crown pop. What's in there? One goes away. I had Obotum Nawadachro into Wako, Ghana for Manwagen. Okay, fine. Ghana for say among Madron, Yaman Madron. What did it ma fit October 2019? What the ma a fear Bunkutachi? Waba July. Down to July. And what the one manifesto. What the way? Emma what the Quaker share. Francati in July. July 1st. Republic Day. The whole of July welcome. August the way. August 29th. A chant another chain. August is why welcome. Busume de Mawaka in there. Mubasho Mamunina, the manifesto. Manifesto, and I had the bar. A chaya the bar. Melamela the ribo. A chaya the ribo. Melamela the ribo. A chaya the ribo. Yaya the car. Yaya, you had a quit. What a soon. What and Enya Yawa Bim. Or can be the chairman, or can be the chairman that this is the serious political party that the entire country must look in their direction. Yeah, I hope America 20. Oh, Yadelba 31st. Oh, yeah, Monday, so could we? What's the ask you, Tasha? No, there, Yadikama. Oh, yeah, Council of Fathers. From July, I want that show some Council of Fathers in what to pay. Council of Fathers in what to coma. Council of Fathers in Timasha. 31st now 7 days. My the Council of Fathers. Bye. Ina a man or can be betraying. Oh, Bema, cool. Oh, opposition is cool. It is a giant. Now, I had it. Yeah, so the campaign team national. A double body. Oh, yeah. Mark Menu Adano. Now, Aban, on your national. National do to Dabano. No, what share, Hina. And see if national or the call. Manton. It's a mantle destiny. And yeah, well, for your power, there, campaign for what you go book will happen. Yayandama, no dear son from the Mutumna Yayan, Yabana, Yadingo Bogu, other constituency campaign team, so Yadbogu Hodo. Now also in the Nochayara, Yan and the Namun Kapando. Yan and the Nochayara, Munsa from one co electoral, one for Gogu, what you do, one for electoral, one co polling station, one for Gogu, what you do, not a wide. I complete. Ono nensaso nti na yabri ebo pe mu ha. Oye djuma taba. Yadu ngonu gu apempem wi a. Na chi penyfo na yadu ngonu gu apempem. Enyo bokodem. Na presentation is it. Entumi ya no petem ha. Yakọ na yakadi nkoma kakra oye presentation. Ya da to ha batiri do. E we tumu akọ ka ejuma. Nti abaya. Ni tete be man. Na ansana moduwa mamadi ngonu bogu apempem. Me yiro ma no kakra ba mo bo atin. Wa ye bida. Na sesiara na taban kom ma fifimanto na fansma na taban okoma mani na sande abanu nu jumanjuma ojenya hona da waya ejuma de wa kona sai na min oni yo pina oda hwanu na oda hwanu de ejuma waya obosoga na fu heyi na yakọ ononkote na wobotum so abua medjuma papa oya ekufu ado aban warian Ghana fo enye ope enye odo e wetum ayade acha hodo enti oya da amamuni na osina beti na mmom infantimande ono ye fe enti so kwhwe amamuni na se wa koyi a no ba bi so da na ufie kase da ita sabi infantimani kana mobudo na hodin na nyimnyam na da tie kira bodu be meye bodu awa kan pe do no be ye mikatu e we dzinkan wa hwede bi fem nse som da chi mu akani na wetum wa ye hwedjuma wa baba kan wa ya prakope da minti o man sembo ka kan command asabi na damba MPPC maso aya mpese do ha na mumfulma o hye the minister da krona wadi she unsebin mfantama ka ho nyame abey ampanga ulade da malama sudo ana mesuayim nyame apegu ewie dada yade amubrase ahwadiri biara yewo bia bakan ya hwe ema aya for more to do more for cancer for them yamina dum aya by 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. on the 7th of December abai na for cancer the name at the hokra emom entumi efenza agul osanda say if your 2016 figures now, just to refresh our memories. So in the Bible, Abokokode, Impa Ojiawan, Anshaye no Ayada, Wanshasi. And so in there, you feel. Now, Yadi Okozen, Yada Wazen, Numuyazen, Yadisham, Queenzin, Oya Prakope. There is no cause, there is no space for complacency at all. And it is not over until it is over. 2016 Nana Danko Ekufo-Addo. Ni vote onya won Fatiman 28,267, representing 49.79%. John Mama, only 25,679, representing 45.23%. Two in here. Eba parliamentary. Maya equal cancer effort. onye 26,747, representing 46.82%. James Eson, onye 26,021, representing 45.55%. It's the difference were just in the hundreds. Difference were in what? Hundreds. Now, my other Shayan crying there. This was a certain government. And this was an unknown quantity. He was what? An unknown quantity. A man for human. It's essential. No, in the political landscape, or you be nara okita na hozen na bi also oya o man payin ne attempt wa ya ntiga na hu enti say twa no voting na pu koso na nam da ko oya known quantity nti there was a reduction there between co and a son. The difference were in just, I think, 726. Yamen charge. In fear basa nafa. For Kwanzaa Hereford, if you ask me, and this one I stated publicly, if you ask me that best 5 members of parliament in the central region, where do you place Kwanzaa Hereford? I tell you that he is indeed firmly in the best 5 MPs in the central region. You know why? Kwanzaa Hereford. Na dwingini na ye. Oya mpeso dini na obia na hiade. Oya na hiada. He is always on the move to ensure that those basic needs are provided for the people. Yes. Oyobisha. Nedade oyana tintin oyedintenta. Almost all the time you find Kwanzaa Hereford attending to public functions, being with the people, interacting with them, and showing his presence to Kwanzaa Hereford. Ma oyo yije wona brabo musu inde oyo bia owa ahubrade mesro mamike mo bua ne Kwanzaa Hereford onyo bia odo no ada. Those are very cogent qualities that you need to see associated with a leader. Now Kwanzaa Hereford exhibits all of those. He has endeared himself. And we have no doubt in our mind at all. There is a man from why there. Why do not do? No more there. Or either you get a cadet. Say, Sarah and Fabasa, no fun. A man from where a man from why do not do. Oh, we have to go all out. We have to go all what? All out. Now, Sayaboko all out. Eko Kwanzaa Hereford. Oh no, kita Frankan. Eya yo emododo na yefimpano. Asafumba. Impo kita Frankan. Ebo hu a wodi ncha. Asha sire ohim Frankan na. Bia di ncha. There, one. Osana Frankan is the symbol of authority of the group. It's it. I don't know kita Frankan. Inya the yawo one. Inya yua. Ina swa. Ina nan. Inya the yajum. Ewa letter areas. Polling stations. Inya the yajum. Ya shade. In pocket ya Frankan. Obo som mwazim kuimzi. Oda ide. Odaba. It's it. Electoral area coordinator. When you get there, you carry the title around the electoral area coordinator. That is not your joy. That must not be your joy. Electoral area coordinator. What's that in there? Police stations are electoral area. Where you basa, where you are nine, and bill to bill, if you ho, and you want to a queer yaba fada, parting, yaba tall, and police stations. Yaba to the ama, my friend, wajatum, no parting, so by now you party be a wapana, and on your party will be the mum or your MPP, electoral coordinator. It is a electoral coordinator. Isham, a minister. The minister, campaigning our Yahuhe. Electoral coordinator. Now, Yahuhe, a Shama, or my pain, in the working kind. No, but we electoral area. Electoral area, I would look at the wisdom. I would know in charge. It's I would know Chanamon. I would know Shishan in the constituency. So, was it more one or the better? About Tawichi. Yamin Chada Ma Yawomi or ya Baban number into Yabahan into conventional party campaign in Ayaya rally Akasaka sent Yabati Yan to be on Fatamukrano into Sessian Abaya house to house, door to door, room to room, kitchen to kitchen, toilet to toilet, bathroom to bathroom. Baby, my you pressure there, or the chasing. It's a mama in there. I am MP, PC. Are you paying for about draw plan? It is a command. And that's all woman there. Yeah, your campaign will have. Tina, Yasha, or your PC, the t-shirt. Ah, on my pain at the count. Hey, now you're testing more command. You didn't care you get here or the crow. I can't know. Yabawas Asido. Na Yayamayaku MPP. Yadomini. Yayama for the Babacasa. Nobody ever able to show. Near the Hamucho in Siabaya, Amande. If you them, Modicro or Jitma, that you want to move up at it. The entire command town. If I have, Maba, Munia, Maba, Ejuma, Modisho Mampayina, Emma, a boy Mampayina Sham, Akasaka, Sawaya, Ebaya, Yemen Silma, the Madi Kodo, Irukodo, and see, in Kabasa of fun, on Mampayin, Abarum Baden, Naipaso Sawase, or Bill for your pen, no pen, it's the Abba, Yabasro, Dabatui, Quabiado, Equa, to Waba, from Mampayin, Ekufado. There you are, Eti, I don't say about him, I have quite effort, not to Waba, Unkajim, Umbashabugum. That is the kind of campaign we are going to do in the next 3 months. Amen. Very effective, very effective one-on-one. And some occasionally, as a razzmatazz, the Kabia film, Abia Chemfo, the Alpha, Oya Humon Pike, Coloma Shikahu, Ebobo, Oya face maski, Namda do Tenim, Nokita, Oya Wafana, a Frankai, and now Democracy, it is to incite the interest and excite the interest of the public. Or they are prepared amount for them waiting to me there. Aban Wakakoto. That's the Wakakoto, sir. Or your people over there over 2 months. From now going, campaign plan, action plan, Nina will be rolled out not too long from now. Yabaya the Mishina, but largely. Mayabaya ida yabakon kro yabakon classy Hamlet baby 1-on-1, and we will intersperse it with them because of the COVID. We must pay heed to the rules and regulations governing the COVID. We must pay heed to that, but we must have a good balance. Yes, the COVID young common white na campaign so ya fa ho a ya yen fefe mesro ebira ya di we are counting the members of the battalion. We are counting the members of what? Battalion. Are you going to be counted? Yes. Are you going to be counted? Yes. Are you ready to respond to the count? Yes. Na aya ejuma yedin na yina ya ba fe ye yewie ma yekọ na ti ya kwakapada mesrawa owa hu kakana edebaban ondo botu wo pu hibobi ma no so adana de adaba baka ho nti it is all out. Let us see action in Anmabo. The electoral coordinator for Anmabo draw up a program na ma yehude ayanda kwesi yakra so wie me yedidi wie are members of the polling station officers and now why ya kado e ma fa t-shirt ahye ma mo asim ma mo ya campaign e ma yatedama yeso ye bibi ye wo baby na tambiri wo ma na yeso ya ba kan tomati achemfo abande eja all across the constituency ejuma ode heyima yaba ye towards victory 2020 for more. That's it. Area nama. Nechi yaba from payphone. Na yade ingo eguotido. No chira daman edimu prakope as a Infantsman constituency campaign team for elections 2020. Intimate ababa momre ita aba man de enwa wote ikuyi nitrin akaya yefunuko itirebie enti aya constituency chairman ena parliamentary candidate one co-chair Masawa the member ya yekwe constituency chairman man fakase bi mbada parliamentary candidate akaya the parliamentary candidate dan pen ti won mukasa da oh chairman no mo ye wan bo mamendempo sesi amu ye co-chair na sesi aso aya constituency officers amu ye executive committee but you doing on your party work other than the campaign until now you cannot meet separately as constituency officers you have got to the whole Kabul, the gamut of the party activities are all hanging. Nina is in the hands of the constituency campaign team. It is one and only one. Mama Obi, consider any woman organizer, any secretary, any chairman. It's any no. All of that is collapsed. Nina or your one. Into Bibiara Bina together. No, be also answer the mother in Gobo Mutidon. So be honest, I shall know, okay, no, that's a so on your timer. I mean, who near dropping. Sending your time. My manifest. There you are. Oh, I Mowaji baby, Mowadibiwa, but say you timer, let's know and let's drop you now. Obiara Jan was in a Chawajatu. Here we are. Obia Botro needing the signature and the date. Yabaji Yadako, our national campaign office, near keep copies. Our regional party office. This is an attestation of your member. It must be a membership that brings victory under the shoulders. Not just being a member and relaxing and doing your own thing from the committee. Line, or you're within the dotted line, or you're Infantsman. And see, then you mention your name, and then we continue. I, having been appointed as a member of the Infantsman constituency campaign team of the New Patriotic Party, do in the name of the Almighty God.
Do in the name of Almighty God.
Swear and solemnly affirm that.
Swear and solemnly affirm that.
I will bear true faith.
I will bear true faith.
And allegiance.
And allegiance.
to the New Patriotic Party.
to the New Patriotic Party.
I do also swear that
I do also swear that
I will not directly
I will not directly
or indirectly
or indirectly
communicate
communicate
or reveal
or reveal
to any person
to any person
any matter which shall be brought
any matter which shall be brought
under my consideration
under my consideration
or shall come to my knowledge
or shall come to my knowledge
in the discharge of my official duties,
in the discharge of my official duties,
except as may be
except as may be
specially permitted by the Constitution of the party,
by the Constitution of the party,
and that should I at any time break this oath of office,
break this oath of office,
I shall submit myself
I shall submit myself
to the dictates of the MPP Constitution
to the dictates of the MPP Constitution
and suffer the penalty therein.
and suffer the penalty therein.
So help me God.
So help me God.
We think go.
Council of Elders na Council of Patrons. Yes, board there. Yabaya Ejumazin na yasan yezin kuhim was 7 December 2020. Abaya wabotwe mo eyiso wayamimu there. So oya menepia margin na yenyan parliamentary ye 726. So oya menepia yes zero baka ho mo 7,260. Na hen papa His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo no so ye be increase ne wafenden vote no from 2,640 akwa 10,000 votes or a difference naza mesra efimu hoye de ejuman emankuti muntumi ye MP na ti wontumu ye na sasa ka hina ye ka ye hu boma na ye botumi aye dan ya ye nti masra de obi aranya akoma pa na onye adwumazen na yentum ye win elections na mfanteman ze sa ye ka mfanteman seat ha na wo NPP
na dem chairman Odashe Jensen ya increase vote na akoso papa se mo be kai ade bia me ka de refanteman se ye kaka na politics abakoso ma ha no ye difi ase nti oda ye kire de MPP ye nufuru ma no ha nti margin na oda ma hen oye the difference of 7,200 na oda ye ba ye ma MP na Omanpanyin na Akufo-Addo so ne na ye nya 10,000 difference ye be mo abem ye be de chi ya mo abem na no ye NDC for aje hafa ya be break it through ni assign ye dem ma ho but in the metamunia e ko kwansan Hereford nature that you be retain the seat for the first time now here show ya history wa ha now you break it through near we are fit the seat in ono ko be o about Fanteman MPP seat forever and ever na papacho dem o kan adekura ye be hia anyi kuru ya ye was strong host wa hayin baby o say hoyezem but they break it through baby hoyezem this time they break it through when in baby America we must break through and win those polling stations about as bomjo bom faka sakase bia mba ye nya me ye prime minister me do de ko sabra wa ha ye prime minister ye politics in if you ask someone ye can bia e dey nyu a kire wa ye face ho no ye NDC bomjo amembun ye friends agor NDC for bunyi ma warrior that my regional minister can the serious party in Ghana is the NPP maybe ye magana do koso bibiara ye mama do koso ye ma ho kwa no me say ma ya free education ye dey mo pe oba say oba to achen do bi kwa we di mo nya so ta say ye ba na dum so oho bebre nkane asem njumarugu nkofo nya adwuma nya na ye yi dum so afio man nkane no kwa wa aba me di bi poli de reche sebonu nti onye abato ayo koto aye dagro man ni de share na ni dachi ana na do Dankwa Akufo-Addo onye ko kwansa na he nuanom a wogina 1PP anam obebiala e de mpabo na ye da ta ho nyina ho echi na nyame ya dom 7th December mi de kunyimze baba ma oye na nado dankwa ni vote mpo obebiti John Mahama by 2.5 million votes. I'm telling you today. Ya calculation ni yehu. Say ye hedwuma ye mi akofom dem minister kan election ya mo kofom. Na munyim hie biara ho a woto aba. Munyim de hie yi, de mo hie yi. So woto aba no ogina hafa, ogina finfin. O de yehu na ma di yala. Kenya mi yehu ni esanfom na fie nyima kasa ye yazenam. Be tum ye wini. Then you break it through the rank. I feel the another on your demo chance na MPP yachara. Ghana be ye. You win election, try. I feel the Ghana away stable. Na development so wakodo mo biala we nebi or that bushna. Madam say, madam hoden na me nsa na kakra menyim na sika kakra menya me da boso echi. Me na ya da ko e de tipudum. Madam say.
First of all, let me thank you for coming to witness the inauguration of the constituency campaign team. The party has put in this measure to champion the cause of our victory come 7 December. And as a party, a formal inauguration should be done. So today we are here to celebrate the beginning of our victory and also to put the necessary party structure in place for the victory. And I'm happy that all the people who were nominated to be part of the campaign team are present and have agreed in principle to be part of the campaign team for the 2020 election. Well, trend in party democracy changes at times, and when trend changes, voting pattern changes. But Ghanaian voters have realized that twisting from the good to bad side is not good for them. So they have decided that come 7 December, that trend will not change. Apart from that, MPP as a party has demonstrated to the people of Mfantsiman that when it comes to infrastructure development, the only party that can be relied upon is the New Patriotic Party. When it comes to capital investment, they can rely on a New Patriotic Party. So I am of the view that having assessed both the NDC and the MPP, the good people of Mfantsiman have had the opportunity to make an informed decision. An election is a process. The process we have undergone through for the past 3.5 years confirm that if the party is given the nod, Mfantsiman will see massive infrastructure development. We never experienced such violence in our constituency, and Mfantsiman constituency has been a very peaceful constituency. Election is about your message, and this election is about what you've done for the people. And the people of Mfantsiman see each as brothers and sisters. So why should we fight over common registration? I believe that it was a lack of misunderstanding that led to the violence. This is not the first time we are doing registration in Ghana, and for that matter in Mfantsiman, and it has never happened. And I can assure the good people of Mfantsiman that so far as security of this municipality is concerned, the security apparatus are up to task, and nothing will happen come 7 December. It is not about violence, it's about what you have done and what you could do for the people. My advice to the party members is we should remain focused. Let's carry our message. Let's do house-to-house campaigning. Let's sell our message. Let's brand our presidential candidate and the President of the Republic of Ghana, and let's brand our parliamentary and member of parliament. We've done so much in the 3 years. The comparative analysis is that the NDC were in power for 8 years. What did they do? The MPP is in power for 4 years. So we are going to, this election is about track record. The 4 years of NDC, what did they do? The 4 years of MPP, what we have done. Ghanaians, and for that matter, the good people of Mfantsiman have seen clear that when you give NDC 1,000 years, they cannot develop Mfantsiman. 4 years of MPP and the Honorable Stephen Asamoah Boateng, they saw massive infrastructure. 4 years under Ekwakwang Ford, they are seeing it. 8 years under NDC, they saw lack of development. They saw mismanagement of premix funds. They saw retardation of education in Mfantsiman constituency. So I think that the decider or the people to make the decision have felt it, and there's no way they are going to disappoint the New Patriotic Party and the good people of this country.